Have you ever wondered if your water heater is quietly telling you it's time for a change? Most homeowners don't think about their tank water heater until something goes wrong: cold showers, strange noises, or unexpected leaks. But long before a major failure happens, your system usually sends clear warning signs. Knowing how to recognize them can help you protect your home, avoid costly water damage, and ensure reliable hot water when you need it most. Let's start with one of the most important factors: age. Most traditional tank water heaters last between 8 and 12 years, depending on maintenance and water quality. If your system is approaching or past that range, it's time to take a closer look at its performance. Older units become less efficient, use more energy, and are more prone to leaks or failures, too. Another major warning sign: inconsistent hot water. If you're noticing that your water doesn't stay hot as long as it used to, you run out of hot water faster, or the temperature fluctuates unexpectedly. These are early signs that the heating elements or tank itself may be deteriorating. 3. Pay attention to unusual sounds. Popping, rumbling, or crackling noises coming from the tank often means sediment has built up and hardened inside. This reduces efficiency and puts extra strain on the system, shortening its lifespan and increasing your utility bills. 4. Next, check for cloudy water or rust.
If the hot water coming from your faucet appears to have color,
Or if you notice a metallic smell or taste, corrosion may be happening inside the tank. Rust is a clear indicator that the internal lining is failing, and once that happens, replacement becomes the safest option. 5. But perhaps the most serious sign of all is leakage. Even small puddles or moisture around the base of your unit shouldn't be ignored. A leaking water heater can quickly turn into water damage, mold growth, or a complete tank failure. If you notice any signs of leaking, it's important to shut off the system and call a licensed plumber immediately. 6. Higher energy bills can also reveal trouble. As water heaters age, they lose efficiency, needing more energy to provide the same amount of hot water. If your bills are climbing without a clear reason, your water heater may be the cause.
At Tempo Air, our plumbing experts are trained to help homeowners identify these warning signs early.
We provide honest assessments, professional inspections, and reliable replacement options that keep your home safe, efficient, and comfortable. Because when it comes to your plumbing system, staying proactive isn't just smart, it's essential.
Visit our YouTube channel for more information. If you need help with your HVAC or plumbing system this season, you can contact us calling the number on the screen or visit our website, tempoair.com. Tempo Air Employee Owner Care More.